Jaguar Land Rover is facing a major crisis as its UK manufacturing plants remain shut down longer than initially expected due to a cyber attack that struck just over a week ago. This unexpected disruption has forced the company to halt operations at its key production sites, including the Halewood and Solihull car factories, as well as the Wolverhampton engine plant. The impact isn't limited to the UK. Facilities in Slovakia, China, and India have also been affected, bringing a global production to a standstill. Employees who normally work on the assembly lines have been instructed to stay home, adding to the growing uncertainty. The trouble began on August 31st, when Jaguar Land Rover proactively shut down its IT systems to prevent further damage after detecting the cyber attack. While this move was necessary to protect sensitive data and infrastructure, it caused significant operational chaos. The company is now working tirelessly around the clock to carefully and securely restore its network systems. They are collaborating closely with external cybersecurity experts and law enforcement agencies to manage the situation. Last week, the company extended its shutdown, telling staff to remain at home until at least Tuesday, as it continued to deal with the aftermath of the attack. Despite widespread speculation, Jaguar Land Rover, owned by India's Tata Motors, has not publicly confirmed how long the disruption might last, though some reports suggest it could drag on for several weeks. Under normal conditions, Jaguar Land Rover produces roughly 1,000 vehicles daily. The current halt in production has sent shockwaves through its supply chain, with some suppliers reportedly instructing their own employees not to come to work due to the uncertainty. The ripple effects extend beyond manufacturing. Dealerships have been unable to register new vehicles, and service garages have struggled to order necessary parts for maintenance. However, the company has reportedly implemented some temporary solutions to mitigate these issues. Adding to the timing challenge, the attack occurred during a period when many customers typically take delivery of new cars. The latest batch of vehicle registration plates was released on September 1st, a date that usually sees a surge in new car sales and registrations. Sean Adams, who manages Koiplast, a supplier of car parts, expressed concern to the BBC about the prolonged shutdown. He warned that if the disruption continues for weeks, it could force businesses like his to rethink their strategies to protect themselves against future risks. In a twist that raises eyebrows, a group of young hackers who have previously targeted other UK companies, such as Marks Spencer earlier this year, have claimed responsibility for the Jaguar Land Rover cyber attack. Within days, this English-speaking group boasted about their actions on the messaging platform Telegram. Security experts analyzing the situation believe the hackers may have accessed sensitive information, as suggested by screenshots they shared online. It appears the hackers attempted to extort money from Jaguar Land Rover, a claim the company acknowledged and is currently investigating. This raises important questions about corporate cybersecurity preparedness and the growing threat posed by cybercriminals. Could this incident be a wake-up call for the automotive industry and beyond? What measures should companies take to defend themselves against such attacks? We'd love to hear your thoughts. Do you think Jaguar Land Rover handled the situation well, or could they have done more to prevent this? Share your opinions in the comments below.